Another day, another English lesson. Polite questions with, I was wondering. Hello, everyone. Have you ever felt that a direct question like, what time is it, or can you help me, can sometimes sound a little too strong? In English, we often use special phrases to make our questions softer and more polite. One of the best and most common phrases is, I was wondering. Using I was wondering is like saying, I have a gentle question in my mind. It's perfect for asking questions without sounding like you are demanding an answer. How to use I was wondering. We use this phrase in two main ways. The key is to remember that what comes next is not a normal question structure. 1. With if, for yes, no questions. Direct. Do you have a pen I can borrow? Polite. I was wondering if you have a pen I can borrow. Direct. Is the meeting at 3 p.m.? Polite. I was wondering if the meeting is at 3 p.m. 2. With a question word. What, when, where, why, how. Direct. Where is the restroom? Polite. I was wondering where the restroom is. Direct. When does the store close? Polite. I was wondering when the store closes. A very important grammar rule. This is the most important part to remember. After I was wondering, we do not use the auxiliary verbs do, does, or did. We switch to a normal sentence structure. Correct. I was wondering where the bank is. Incorrect. I was wondering where is the bank. Correct. I was wondering if you like coffee. Incorrect. I was wondering do you like coffee. By using I was wondering, you show that you are being thoughtful and respectful, which will make your English sound more natural and polite in any situation. Now watch and change the direct sentences to polite sentences with, I was wondering. One, could you help me carry this box? I was wondering if you could help me carry this box. 2, do they sell bus tickets here? I was wondering if they sell bus tickets here. 3, where is the train station? I was wondering where the train station is. 4, what time does the movie start? I was wondering what time the movie starts. 5, is there Wi-Fi in this cafe? I was wondering if there is Wi-Fi in this cafe. 6, when is your flight? I was wondering when your flight is. 7, is this seat taken? I was wondering if this seat is taken. 8. Do you have any extra napkins? I was wondering if you have any extra napkins. Nine. How can I get to the museum? I was wondering how I can get to the museum. Ten. Why is the store closed? I was wondering why the store is closed. I hope you'll watch more worldwide ELT English language learning videos soon.